Yep. Now I got my tire fixed myself. Oh, don't look at that. Put a little grease on my axle. Okay. Gotta get the tire in there now. Alright, I'm gonna do the old sit down. Okay, that's in there. Half the battle. Little tip, I like to put a little grease on my chain adjusting screw. That way, hopefully it remains nice and smooth. Hey, I was wondering, is this a good size? Hey, alright. Now I know it fits KTM and Yamaha. I like to use a wrench. You know, suck it up close. It's a little much. Ugh. So we're gonna adjust it. I adjusted these in so much because I put some grease on them, but now they're coming out real nice. Oh, real nice. Alright, it was all bound up. Wouldn't roll like this, so I started over basically, and I think my brake pads were binding up, but it's pretty good now. Adjusted out, measured it between 43 and 48 millimeters from a mark, and everything seems to be jiving. Got a new bag I'm gonna try out. I got some things from Amazon so I can hook that up. Looking good. 1, 2. Well, that surely was an adventure. And now I'm ready for my next.